Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor, July 24th. We had another volatile day in the grain markets today. We started off sharply lower, being led by beans. Beans headed down. We were limit for most of the session, 70 cents lower. We did have that November comeback to finish down about 52 3/4 cents, but that pulled the corn and the wheat down with it. But as we finished, wheat down about 34, corn down 7 1/4 cents. So we were 40 lower at one point. We didn't stay there that long. That December contract broke down below that 750 mark, but didn't stay there long and was able to recover, finishing only 7 1/4 lower on the day. So when you look at that chart, it had a big pull down, and we closed near the upper end of the range. So I wouldn't be surprised to see tonight's trade maybe a little higher for the overnight markets. Maybe we'll see a little rebound here for beans and wheat as well. The weather's still the primary focus at this point. They have added, we still have good rains to the 1 to 5 day forecast. But as you look further past that, they've taken out some of the rains for the 6 to 10 day as well as the 2-week forecast. So they still have temperatures more mild right now. We'll see how they kind of play with these forecasts, but continue watching that. We did have, like I said, a big recovery in that corn, and then beans coming off of their lows as well near the close. May give us a little support for the overnight session. Maybe we can see this market start to work maybe a little bit higher and maybe go test those highs once again. We'll see how that plays out. We've kind of put in a range now, $8 and that $7.50 in corn, but the beans still looking a little negative on these charts. Something that maybe something that we need to watch here soon is the dollar. Dollar up 32 cents, strong again today. Another new high for the dollar. As Europe still continues with their problems, our dollar continues to strengthen. So we did find more strength today, pushing into new recent highs here for that dollar and keeping things very strong. That has a tendency to put pressure on commodities in general. We didn't see that, though, today. With crude oil up about 10 cents. So after a deep decline yesterday, 88.25 right now for that nearby crude contract, kind of remaining steady today and a little bit quiet. But if we see the dollar up again tomorrow, that could put pressure on that crude oil and may end up pressuring commodities in general. As far as livestock, cattle today mixed, box beef mixed as well, choice down 35, select up 75 cents here for the midday pricing. We may have, after we've seen a sharp pullback here the last few days, this mixed trade may end up trying to catch a little bit of a bounce from here. So we'll need to see if that does happen. We've at least stopped going down at this point. Maybe see what cash cattle trades this week and see if we can get a little bit of demand back in here too to support these prices. But as far as the hogs, down about 15 cents in August. As you go further out, down a little bit more. We did have the Iowa-Minnesota midday price down about $4.40. The midday national price was sharply lower as well, so that helped keep the hogs under pressure. Typically this time of year, we do get a little bit of a bounce for the next few weeks, but as we get into August, though, we do see a sharp decline as we go through the end of the year. So continue watching that. Maybe we can get a little support here, but the cash markets and as far as wholesale, continue watching that as well. It's going to affect our futures price. So a lot of things have thrown at you guys. I do expect to see the overnight markets in the grains maybe start off a little bit stronger just because of either overdone ideas in beans and wheat. But corn did have a stronger close. So we'll see how that plays in as well. But give us a call over here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys had a great day, and I'll talk to you